welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making baked chicken. So I have 6 chicken legs that is washed and clean with lime juice, guys. So I'm just gonna marinate this overnight. So I'm gonna apply my seasoning. I'm gonna show you how I do that. So first I'm gonna add some black pepper. I have half teaspoon of black pepper. I'm gonna use some chicken season. You can use any season that you want to use. Doesn't have to be this one. I'm also gonna use some all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna use some onion powder. I'm gonna use some garlic powder as well. Garlic powder. I'm gonna add some paprika. It's fine for me. I'm just gonna add just a pinch of salt, just a pinch, guys, because remember this seasoning I have salt, guys. I'm gonna add just a pinch of salt. Just a pinch of salt, not a lot of salt. And I'm also gonna add some garlic and herb seasoning. I'm gonna add some of that. I'm just gonna mix everything together. Mix everything so everything goes evenly on the chicken. Guys, you can use any part of the chicken to make your baked chicken, guys. It doesn't have to be the leg. Alright. I'm just going to apply my seasoning on the chicken. Not going to use all of it. I'm going to add some oil, just a little bit, to marinate the chicken. Then I'm just going to massage the season in, just to massage it in like that. Just a little bit. I want the season to get everywhere on the chicken, guys, and I did make some cut into my chicken. I like to do that when I'm baking my chicken. I like to make some cuts in there. I do that so the season get everywhere over the chicken, guys, like that. And I don't remove the skin when I'm baking my chicken, guys. So I have my plastic wrap. I'm just going to give that a cover. So I have my chicken here that was marinated overnight. So I'm just going to remove my plastic wrap. And now we're going to prepare it, okay? So this is well marinated, guys. So we're going to place it in our baking tin, right? So I have my baking tin there that I wrap with some file paper. So I'm just going to place my chicken in and we're going to put it in the oven for 40 minutes. I'm going to make the sauce for my baked chicken and then we're going to apply after 40 minutes and I'll show you all of that. So we just have 6 chicken legs, guys. So all of them can all in this baking tin. Guys, I did go ahead and put some of my green season on it off camera. I have a video on that on my channel. I'll put the link below. If you haven't seen that videos yet, I will put the link below. This smells so good. So all 6 should be able to fit. I'm just doing 6 chicken leg, as I said. So perfect. So all 6 is there. So this is my green season, guys. I did use some of this on my chicken legs. I'm going to put it in the oven. So I'm going to put this in the oven at 350, and I'm going to put it in there for 40 minutes. But I will put it back in there when I apply my sauce, and I'm going to show you all of this, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to make the sauce for my baked chicken. So what I do, I use butter. So I'm just going to add 2 teaspoons of butter. So that is 2 teaspoons of butter. So we're going to make the butter melt. And you guys, you need to try this sauce on your baked chicken. This is delicious, delicious. So just melt the butter like that. Now I'm going to add some of my green seasoning into that. So listen, less than a teaspoon, guys. So that's less than a teaspoon. I'm gonna use. So guys, if you haven't checked that video out, how to make a green seasoning, you can go and check it out, guys. So guys, as you go along, after you make your sauce, you taste it, just in case if it needs a little salt or whatever, you can always add it. Okay guys, and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of sugar, because I don't want this to be sweet. Just want it to have a nice flavor, so we're not going to add a lot of sugar. Just add 1 teaspoon of sugar, guys. Just 1 teaspoon. Depending if you're making more chicken than I am making, you can top up that. But I'm still going to have some sauce left back that I'm going to use to have with my meals. So, after you coat the chicken, then you're going to have some sauce. You can, put it on your rice or put a little more on your chicken to have your meal, alright? Alright, so I have some fish and meat sauce. I'm just gonna put that in there as well. So I'm using 2 teaspoons of my fish and meat sauce. I'm gonna show you that. If you don't know what I'm talking. So I'm using this fish and meat sauce. I love this sauce, guys. This tastes delicious. I always use this sauce. This is really, really a good sauce to use. And then I'm gonna add my ketchup to this. I'm using ½ cup of ketchup, guys. You just mix everything together. Make sure everything is mixed well. You mix that, and I also have some all-purpose seasoning that I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of that. All-purpose seasoning, you can use any all-purpose seasoning that you want to use, guys. Remember, if you taste it and you need a little more, depending on how much you're making, go ahead and you can add it. All right, guys, and this sauce on your baked chicken is yummy. Guys, you might see steam coming up. I'm making some rice and peas, guys. All right, so I have half cup of evaporated milk that I'm gonna add to it. And then you're gonna mix everything. Guys, this is delicious. So you just want everything to mix out. We're just gonna mix that out, And then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And then you're just gonna leave this on the stove for 5 to 8 minutes. But remember, guys, we taste it to see if we need anything else in there. If we need a little more, if you need a little more all-purpose seasoning, or if you want to put a pinch of salt. For the all-purpose seasoning, I have salt in it, guys, so I don't normally put salt. I will put a little more all-purpose seasoning if I think it needs a little more salt, because the seasoning have salt in there. And if the seasoning is right in it, guys, I will just put a pinch of salt. All right, so creamy this look, guys. This is beautiful. So now we're gonna have their soy sauce. Just 1 teaspoon of your soy sauce. So we have 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. We're gonna add it to it. So my sauce is finished now, guys. It tastes delicious. You need to try this. So I'm gonna leave it on the stove for like 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna apply it to my chicken. Okay, guys, so that's my baked chicken after 40 minutes. So I'm gonna add it to my sauce. Look at my sauce, how yummy this is. So I'm just gonna place it into the sauce. And I'm just gonna put it in there. I'm gonna do that with all of them. You can also brush it on, guys. I normally place it in the sauce and then brush some of it on it as well. So at this point, guys, I normally put some bell peppers on my chicken like that. You can use any color that you want. I normally use a lot of different colors, but I only have the red one now. So I normally put it over my chicken like that, and then I put it in the oven. Okay, guys, so my baked chicken is finished. I'm gonna plate it. Look how juicy and lovely this look, guys. This is amazing. You need to try this. This is delicious, guys. You need to try this. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.